Meaning of ironwork.
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 Ironwork. Ironwork generally refers to objects or structures that are made of iron, such as gates, fences, grills, and other decorative or functional items. It can also refer to the process of creating these objects using various tools and techniques, such as forging, welding, or casting. In architecture, ironwork typically refers to the ornamental details made of wrought iron, which were popular in building design during the 19th and early 20th centuries. Overall, ironwork is a term used to describe any type of metalwork that is made of iron.